So I'm on the CR travel ALX400 then Trident. That's the Tram. So that's certain in the distance. I really like that. It's just certain in the distance. So that train tracks. I think there's a track. I think there's I think next off Arena Tram stop. I'm gonna do my own because there's no bus on the tram placement. So on the way to Alexander got the Chris. I think that was the right Pathfinder now. Got on at East Croydon. And now we're on ALX400 to see our travel. I think the floor suggests this X6 London. The next stop is Arena Tram Stop. No, I think we swim past. No, we're not. No, I mean actually, no. Now approaching. Sorry, I think we're back. Now approaching Ashburton Park.